Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by defining a tight search area and the minimum criteria that matter to you. Once done, pull county tax rolls and MLS filters, and mark properties with unpaid taxes or long vacancy notes. Make driving routes using Google Street View and a phone map. Check exterior signs of neglect. Make sure to log addresses in a spreadsheet with status tags. This first push creates a small, actionable list so you can move from theory into visits immediately. You now convert leads into verified vacancies by layering data sources. Once you compile tax, utility, and postal records, run a skip trace to find current contacts. Make sure to note probate or bank owned flags. Then visit properties, take photos, record visible damage, and talk to neighbors for occupancy intel. Use a short door script and leave a clear postcard if no answer. Keep calling and updating your sheet daily, prioritizing the most promising, safest prospects for next action. You finish by moving from contact to control, send a written offer, then follow up persistently by phone. Once the owner engages, arrange a quick inspection to estimate repairs and confirm title and lien status. Negotiate terms that reflect repair costs and risk, then use escrow for a clean closing. After closing, change locks, secure utilities, and document condition with photos. If the owner is unresponsive, use certified mail and check probate records.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.